Pepe may post a 2.3% gain by May 6, based on Traders Union. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. As of right now, Pepe has gained 0.8% in 24 hours and is hovering near $405. We now turn to the analyst predictions. According to Traders Union, tomorrow's price could hit $414. That's around 2.3% above today's level. CoinLore believes Pepe could push towards $41, a potential gain of 1.2%. 30 Rates points out it could head towards $402 on the downside, about 0.8% lower. A different forecast by CoinCodex shows Pepe could move down towards $399, a projected decrease close to 1.5%. And in closing, crypto predictions suggest the price may dip to $391 by tomorrow, 3.5% below now. This is the most profitable return estimate. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decline of 3.5% and an increase of 2.3%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that Crypto Predictions expects the top return with 3.5% jump in value by tomorrow. As the data shows, you could collect between $8 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, 30 Rates' forecast indicates the most likely price change, with a 89.9% probability. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. Consensus estimates place Pepe at around $403. Let's explore the breakdown. Consensus evaluation shows a 0.5% move down. That outcome means your capital could also register growth of 0.5%. On 1,000, that outcome could suggest roughly $5 more, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 91.1%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. An upward path is anticipated by Traders Union. The near-term outlook, meanwhile stressed by CoinLore, is clearly bullish. 30 Rates sees Pepe on a downward slope. A bearish stance is reflected in CoinCodex's forecast. According to Crypto Predictions, Pepe should hover in place. Consensus forecasts highlight Pepe trading on the downside over the next 3 days. So, 60% of analysts are leaning toward a bearish outlook for Pepe. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. In the end, the trading session closed at $398. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from Coin Price Forecast. Now let's structure the results. The session's candle included 2 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but 30 Rates achieved the strongest gain at 3.1%. Here's a quick results overview. A visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. In today's data, Gov Capital Collector registered 060's $400,325 in accuracy, 4% forecast probability, and 1.6% ROI. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. Let's see how tomorrow's potential returns look across several different coins. In the latest forecast comparison, Pepe stays below AVE, which projects 1.2% return. Here we're showing Pepe alongside 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already there on my website. If you enjoy having everything summarized instead of scrolling through dozens of forecasts, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.